Let's play. Pick up the red cloth. 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, what is it? Wow! Now tell me which is the bigger one and which is the smallest one.
This one and this one.
Blue one is the
Biggest.
and the brown one?
The smallest.
Yoo-hoo! You win! Now next let's pick up the pink one. Yoo-hoo! 1, 2, 3, go! What is it?
The dump trucks.
Oh, now can you just tell me which is the biggest one? Biggest.
This truck, this truck, this smallest, this smallest, this one, this one.
Wait, Yoo-hoo! Which is your favorite truck?
The cement.
Cement truck. Okay. Let's jump on to the other one. Let's pick up the yellow cloth. Hurry up, hurry up.
Where?
Yellow color cloth. Where is it? Pick it up. Yoo-hoo! What is it? What is it?
Excavator truck and the excavator.
Now can you just tell me which is the biggest one? And which is the smallest? Very good. Can you lift up the blue cloth? Lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! What truck is it?
Garbage truck, Mama.
Which truck is the biggest one?
This one and this one.
And which is the smallest one? Very good. How does it throw the garbage in?
I'll show you, Mama.
Wow! It dumps the garbage like this.
Here. We back there.
Wow, what's inside?
The garbage and the fish. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Driving to the town and keeping up the cans.
Now the last one. Can you pick up the orange cloth for me? Yoo-hoo! What is it?
The fire truck and the marshal.
And which is the biggest fire truck you have? And can you show me the little fire truck? I can see a dog in it. What dog is it?
Marshal?
Marshall? Paw Patrol's Marshall?
Yeah.
Marshall's fire truck. Can I see the Marshall? What does it do?
It puts out the fire.
Puts off the fire. I want to tell you something. This fire truck, which color fire truck is it?
Red.
And this fire truck has a battery also. It can move also. It is charged. Yes, you can pick up the remote and play with it.
Thanks. Now I can.
Yes, you can.
Now.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo, stop it! Put off the fire! Yoo-hoo!
The fire.
Put off the fire!
Put out the fire. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe on that red button, press that like button and ring this bell ting ting.